Hi, this is Pretty Colorful One, and I made this haunted house for Halloween using Dollar Tree frames. Can you believe this? This haunted house here was made from Dollar Tree frames. This is the back. This is the back of it. This is the side. I also made this gate from popsicle sticks. This is the other side of it. I purchased the door from eBay, and these windows also on eBay. The shutters, I also bought these on eBay. I painted all of this. These are popsicle sticks I cut down the sides and glued so they could fit in the frames. This skeleton is from the Dollar Tree. And inside, there are Dollar Tree skull lights. And the grass, the fake grass is from Michael's. Yes, this haunted house is made from Dollar Tree frames and popsicle sticks. Can you believe it? Unbelievable. I couldn't believe it myself. I purchased this little tiny wreath from Etsy, and this welcome mat also from Etsy. And these little stones, these tombstones, I got those from the Dollar Tree also. Yep, that's it. Happy Halloween.